Hey guys, so I decided tonight I would do a little opening up of the new Kinder Joy eggs that look like this. You've might have seen pictures of my last one, my Instagram and maybe on my Facebook. I don't know. Anyways, we have this one that's for girls. It's called the Kinder Joy. They're two chocolate halves of an egg. So they're not a whole egg. So there's that one. And then I have another one. What the other one looks like for a voice. And the first little prize I got for that one, I'll have to show you guys what the inside of them look like. And I was gonna do a video. I still am. I mean, this is with the little happy hippo that came with the first Kinder egg that I opened. It's called I think it's called like Happy Hippo. It's about a little hippo family that's happy, I guess. It's based off a little TV series. I guess you can go online and stuff and watch. So anyways, let's get to opening up these Kinder eggs. Yeah. They're pretty cool, so I hope you guys like them. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of them, so you may see moments of my camera, you may not. I don't know. I don't have anything to set my camera on exactly. So I may lean it against something and try to open it. I'm hoping you'll be able to see my videos here. So I'm just sitting here on my bed. Let's open this one. So when it comes to opening up Kinder Joy's eggs, they have a boy and girl one. This is what generally the inside. You open them up right there. Grab the little tab that's right here. I'm hoping you can see it. I'm getting it in the shot. And it may break off, so see, you pull them apart like so. One part has a prize in it, the other has chocolate. But the sounds of it, yeah, this one you can tell this one has the chocolate in it because it comes with a little sorry if you can't read it. I'm trying to get it. Okay, there we go. Kinder Scooper. Scoop out the chocolate. There's two little chocolate balls in there. So you would just pull the little tab, pull this thing off, and then this is the half that contains the prize. So it's two halves of an egg. As you can see, it starts off as a whole egg. You just pull the tab and peel them apart, and then they look like this on the inside. But little happy hippo family. Oh, don't give these to 3-year-olds. Kids under 3, they will choke and can cause choking hazards. Anyway, so this one says Kinder Joy Golden Rules. Milk of high quality. Number 1 is milk of high quality. 2 is without coloring, meaning food colorings. Number 3 is without preservatives. Number 4, selected raw materials. Not sure what they mean by that. Number 5 is production process with high hygiene standards. There's the 5 golden rules of Kinder Joy. No toys for under 3 years old. And I bought these at a local store. It's 2017. They've already come out with these. So, anyways, let's open up one of the halves. Okay, hang on. So, I'm gonna set the phone right there for a second. Hopefully, we can try. Let's do the chocolate half first, like we did last time. You just pull this little scooper off. I don't know if you use it like this or if you can scrape it like that. But I tend to use it like the thing, little Kinder word spacing, sort of a spoon, and then the inside of it, give or take, looks something like this. Okay. Oh wait, wrong half. That's funny. I don't remember this half having a prize. Oh well, I guess we're looking at the prize first. Let's see what we got. Alright, little Kinder... Oops, hang on. Okay, they appear to be little dragon things. Hang on, let's see if we can kind of figure out what these are if I can somehow get these things to squeeze together. There's a little paper that comes in with them that you can see what they look like here. Let's see if we can find it. 1 second. Sorry, I had to put my phone down, guys. But hope you can still hear me. Oh, okay. I see what it is. You can download the free Magic Kinder app. It appears to be a little bracelet. You can visit a Kinder app. Download the free Magic Kinder app. It says right there. You can scan this code. So if your device can scan something, you can try scanning it. I don't know if it'll work on video, but yeah. Just gonna zoom in on this app so you can zip it. And then let's see. It looks like a little bracelet. So it's like a dragon bracelet or flower bracelet. Ferrero group, like Ferrero chocolates. Ferrero, like the Ferrero Rocher or whatever. Group all rights reserved, blah blah blah. Kinder, K for Kinder, and yeah, it turned in all these little pieces, except not that. And not the hippo, and not that. So, somehow it says we can... Gosh, I don't even know where to begin. Seriously. How do you put things together? I'm clearly horrible at this already. Does it go together like that? I sure as heck don't know. I'm gonna try putting the Kinder egg thingy together. Looks like they just fold in little pieces like that, sort of, I guess. And I'm guessing it's like a little fairy. You can stick the fairy on right here. This little thing on back, so you can piece it together like so. Just line it up there, and hopefully it should stick somehow. And then you just take these little pieces here, add them to here. They should hopefully click. Somehow. Like that, I believe. Make some sort of little tiny bracelet. Like that, they click. And then they click. Maybe, or maybe they each go on 3. I really honestly don't know. But, and then, somehow it's supposed to click together to make a tiny, bracelet, which I just made the stupid piece fly off. Little bumblebee or whatever the heck it's supposed to be. I'm not quite sure. Somehow it hooks together like that. And it's basically supposed to be on your wrist. Which I'd have to maybe get help, but yeah, this is what the little prize, the little pieces, like there's one of those 5 by 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just follow the directions, and it looks like that, sort of. It's supposed to be a little bracelet, see? It's got a little fairy bug thingy on it. No, I guess. Anyways, it's a cute little bracelet. And now let's see the most important part, the chocolate. I'm gonna hurry up because I don't want to run out of film. Sorry it's taking so long. Okay. There's a part that always usually pops off. It's supposed to be that part. And anyways, I'm going to open... Oh, crud. So anyways, that was the prize part. Last time I opened that part... Oh no, last time I think it had the prize, the chocolate there. Behold the Kinder chocolate. It smells like... Okay, you know how the chocolate donut cereal, the Captain Crunch stuff smelled? I mean, That's sort of what it smells like. This is what the inside of it looks like. What the inside of a Kinder Egg looks like. So this has the chocolate. A little tiny spoon. I'll stop the video so I can photo this in a few minutes. And be like, hey, look what I got in my new Kinder Egg. And then the other half contains the prize. It's a little spoon, and you can eat the white chocolate around it, and these little chocolate things, like little crunch ball things. And yeah, so the prize comes in pieces. Prize goes in there, and then this thing was attached to here as you've seen the video. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Sorry it's taking so long. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe, comment below. I'll open up another video, another one of these next. And so, thank you. Bye.